Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Sorento EX V6 Premium in blaze blue. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes equipped with automatic projection headlights, bar-type LED positioning lights, and fog lights, as well as a stylish gloss grille with chrome trim, a sound-reducing windshield, and a hood deflector. Moving on, we have 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes and high-performance shocks. This model also includes automatic folding heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters, as well as roof rails and deep privacy tint glass. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include front and rear parking sensors, hill assist control, and impact sensing door unlock, along with blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert. And looking at the rear now, this model has a 5,000-pound towing capacity and comes with a heated rear window, smart power liftgate technology, and trailer light pre-wiring. Heading inside now, the Sorento has a beautiful leather interior with folding second and third row seating, along with rear climate ventilation, a panoramic sunroof, and a 6-speaker sound system. Looking toward the front now, this vehicle comes equipped with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, as well as a 14-way power driver's seat with 4-way lumbar support and driver memory seating. This model also features Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, along with both USB and auxiliary input ports, and a rear view camera with a 7-inch display. Some other great features include a wireless charging pad, drive mode select, and dual zone automatic climate control with an automatic defog system. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes with a 3.3 liter V6 GDI engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission.